Okay, this is the second part to the movie about changing the battery in the Alladin Air L. I have, the first part of the video showed me disassembling this by pulling out the 3 screws here, and this little top came out. The real tricky part about all of this was getting the whole computer submerged while replacing the battery. Now, if I did it again, you can see here, right about here, there's an air bubble in it, which is next to impossible to get out. So the next time I did this, if I did it with a different computer or somebody else's computer, I would have it submerged in a tank of oil while I did it. Now, the oil that I've used is this stuff here. I found it on Trade Me, and it's mineral oil. It's actually completely the wrong stuff. This is supposed to be for testing some sort of medical equipment or something. It's a viscosity standard testing mineral oil, but I mixed 2 different bottles together, and I filled up this little container down here, which is there, with mineral oil, and I submerged this whole dial computer in the mineral oil to try and fill it up again, and that's the only bubble that I'm left with, and I'm happy to put up with that for a functioning computer. I soldered all the battery terminals back on again as they should be, and here's the last trick for resetting the error message on your computer, is remove the old battery, and I had a piece of wire soldered on here which has just dropped off. Putting the negative terminal to this one here, to the bottom, I just jam it into its hole. I can do that while, there we go. And then the positive terminal here, we just brush it up against the other terminal here, just with a slight brushing motion. Eventually it just goes pop and it resets the whole thing, and it's working. So negative to this, positive to here, of a 3.6 volt battery. You've seen somebody doing it with a the CR2032 batteries, which are also 3.6 volts. But yeah, that's it. And when it resets, I put it on its tank, and it was measuring accurately a tank reading. I don't know if the depth is going to be accurate, but I'll certainly let you know after I dive down with my wife, who's got an accurate reading dive computer. And that's about it. Hopefully it's working properly, and hopefully this mineral oil that I got here was not corrosive in any way to the internal workings of the computer. Good luck if you're doing it yourself.